I just think he's a fucking psychic.
What can $5 really get you?
2 Milky Ways.
2 Milky Ways?
In-N-Out.
Are you guys locals or just visiting?
We're local.
You remember Millions of Milkshakes?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and they shut it down. That was like my favorite. You couldn't even get a milkshake with.
They shut it down?
They shut it down.
Oh.
That's why you're eating here, not Millions of Milkshakes.
It used to be here?
No, it used to be in West Hollywood though. But here, check this out. I agree. You can't really get much with anything with $5. If you were Magic, what would you do with a $1 bill?
Make it into $1 million bills.
Make it into a $1 million bill?
Oh. That'd be hard to break though.
Exactly. Yeah, it might be easier to just take it and.
Whoa! Shit! Oh.
I just choked on my fucking. What? Are those real? No way. Wait. What? How did you do that?
Go ahead. Hold it up to the light. Check it out.
Shut the fuck up. How did you do that? What? There's no explanation.
There actually is.
What?
I don't do just magic. I do hypnosis. Have you guys ever been?
You were just hypnotized?
I've never been hypnotized.
Well, you still are.
Shut up. Oh my god, this is so cool.
This-
oh, wait. While you're hypnotized, can you like make me like not like this guy?
Wait, you
There's a couple ways I could probably make that work.
You just hypnotized him?
No,
You
like
see
look,
it
you
on
still
top,
are.
right?
Watch.
You see
They
it on
they look like hundreds, right?
Yeah.
But watch. They look like hundreds. I just take it on the snap. No, you'll notice it.
What? I don't know. What do you mean? The snap is unhypnotized me?
I didn't even snap. I just.
No, you flicked it.
How the fuck did you do that? I was looking really hard too. Oh, I wish Sarah was here.
So yeah, they were never $100 bills.
Are you kidding me?
I don't know what to say. That's
How?
insane.
How?
But when did you hypnotize us? What did
Yeah.
you say?
Just ask
Oh
about
my god,
million-
are we hypnotized?
Are we
now?
still hypnotized? He just asked for some $1 million milkshakes.
He's
and
moving
then...
his back.
Are we still hypnotized?
There's this. No, you're good now.
Okay.
Dude, you gotta tell me where I can see this shit, because I'm like,
I know.
You don't remember meeting a week ago?
Whatever. No, because no, girl.
we didn't meet a week ago. No. Like what day a week ago? No.
Did you really meet him at the Google?
I don't know. I don't know what I did last weekend, Drew.
Yeah, fair.
Oh my god, I'm not like...
You had a rough weekend last week. Hopefully not.
Here, check this out.
Wait, you're not Welsh, are you?
Yeah, how did you know?
Are you from no, that's not the same
Wales.
guy. That's not the same guy.
That's not the same
No.
Have you ever heard of quantum physics? Either of you?
Yeah.
What's your idea of it, or
I don't
what you
much
know
about
about
it. I just
it?
heard of it.
You heard of it?
I've seen the theory of everything.
The theory of everything. The like particles, matter, atoms, like aligning, something like that. Someone explained to me like the idea of I took my hand and put it against this table, solid object, and I aligned my atoms perfectly with it. Theoretically, I could go through the table. My hand could go through the table.
Okay, yes, that makes sense. Oh no, oh what?
Here, check this out. Because I can't do that extreme version of it, this is the closest thing I can show you that kind of method. Look. These are really intertwined, right?
Yeah.
Watch. You can't go at the top, you can't go at the bottom, left, right, watch.
How, bro? This is great. We're not high.
We're
completely.
Camera.
We are completely
We're
sober.
completely sober.
What?
Yeah.
Go like this.
Okay. That's
Perfect.
I'm gonna scream if that shit goes through it.
I can't go out this hand. It's locked.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, no.
Can't go out this hand. Top, bottom. Punch.
Yeah, no.
What? Shit! You are so good. Magic is like 1000% real. Because what other explanation is there for it?
What? I mean, other than we're still hypnotized.
Are we still hypnotized for real? And like, what comes with that? Because I do have a photographic memory now.
Do you want me to prove to you that we met last week and you've been hypnotized?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, here we go. I'm ready.
I'm sitting there with my 2 kids.
He kind of looks like Thor.
Okay.
Name a card.
Like it is.
Ace of Hearts.
Do you want to change your mind?
No.
What'd you say?
Is that a card?
Yeah, Ace of Hearts is a
Yeah,
card.
Ace of Hearts. No, I'm good with Ace of Hearts.
Why?
Because I know, I just have a feeling.
Do you think I'd maybe think of that card?
I have no idea what you think.
Okay. So, last week we met. I hypnotized you.
Okay.
And at the end, it ended with amnesia, but I basically planted a card in your mind during our hypnosis. It lasted about an hour. But at the end of it, I told her she won't remember any of this.
Some get out shit.
Yeah.
I gave you the chance to change your mind. You didn't feel forced to pick the Ace of Hearts, right?
No. No.
Where did you guys meet? I'm so confused.
I don't know. Fuck all if I know. I'm
Chose life.
No fucking way. I swear to God. Did that... Sorry.
I turned one upside down because this is the one that I told you about last week.
I'm done.
What are you? This is so great. Oh my God.
Where did we meet?
For real? Did you actually meet?
Where
or
did
you
we
just saying
meet?
that?
No, I don't think we know. I just think he's a fucking psychic.
Yeah, like, did you legit meet last week?
Well, even if I told you we didn't, you'd probably be second guessing. I could make up anything at this point, and
really
you'd still
could.
believe
I
it.
don't-
Yeah, I mean, that happened regardless, but like, what?
Oh,
Jimmy, you gotta stop drinking.
now think about all the other things that could be done.
What?
I am blown away.
What?
I
Like,
am
what?
blown away.
That was cool. Everything that happened was cool.
Yeah, that was because Joe was just like great.
Nice to meet you all.
Nice to meet you too.
What's your name?
Yeah.
My name's Evan.
Ivan?
Evan.
Evan?
Yeah. So you want the secret to get over this guy?
Yeah.
You just gotta start seeing other guys.
I know. I've done tried that.
Keep seeing more. Yes.
Okay.
That's the
Maybe
secret.
we'll see you next weekend.
I know.
Maybe. Thanks for watching, you guys. Come back tomorrow for a different magic trick performed out in the streets. I'm Jarek120 of Disturb Reality. Comment and like this video. Check out my second channel for weekly vlogs. Best life I ever had. Catch you tomorrow. Peace.